What's up guys, back with another 2-Minute Tuesday, and this time it's another video for the WRX kind of, but more for like the Beamers and everything else. In this 2-Minute Tuesday, I wanted to show you guys a brief overview on how to work and operate those BMW style turn signals, since for some reason everyone thinks they're confusing and has so much issues with them. Personally myself, I don't have any confusion or issues with them, but that's just because maybe I grew up with the car. Other than my Sonata that I had for about a year, I spent almost 5 to 6 years with a BMW 2 Series F-Gen, so I got really used to those turn signals. And funny enough, the WRX actually comes with the BMW style turn signals, which I was not expecting at all when I got this car. So let me show you how to work those real quick. All right, now that I'm in the car, let's face the other way. All right, so if we look on the left of the steering wheel, this is where we got our turn signal, our indicator and stuff. And as you see, if I press it up, the right one will go up, and if I press it down, the left one, just as a normal turn signal does. So this is what is different with the Beamer turn signals, or Beamer style turn signals, is if you click it up all the way, it'll actually just come back down. It won't stay there like a normal or regular car, like a Chevy Corvette or something like that. It'll drop back down like this. So your turn signal is still on, but it'll just be in this down position. So I would say that's the biggest main difference about the BMW turn signal. And I think that's where people get confused, is they see this thing go up and then it goes back down, so they don't know how to work it after that or something. So I'm just gonna give a brief run through of how this indicator works and what options you have while using it. So if you press up all the way and it goes back down, this is what I call the forever blinker, where it'll just stay on your right indicator until you either turn all the way and it'll go back down, just like how in a normal car, if you turn it up and then turn that way, once you straighten back out, the indicator will fall back down to its normal position. This one, it doesn't do that, it just turns off the light. But for this car, to cancel this light, unlike the other ones where you just click it back down and it goes back to the middle, you just press it once in the opposite direction, very slightly. So there's going to be 2 clicks. You got 1 and then 2. That's 2 positions right there. So if you put it on this, if you put it on the second position, the far up, the forever turn signal, to turn it off, all you have to do is press it once down in the opposite direction. So I'll go left this time, left, all the way down, up once, turn off. Right, double click, click once down. So just again, click up, forever turn signal, 1 click down to cancel, click down for a left turn signal, 1 click up to turn it off. And the second way to use these turn signals is if you want to change lanes or something like that and you don't want your turn signal on all the time and you just want it temporarily on, if you click it up once, it'll actually blink 3 times and then turn off. So again, click up once, 1, 2, 3, click down once, 1, 2, 3. So if you do the one click time, so the 1 notch instead of the notch, it'll show your indicator 3 times, then turn off. So just really quickly again, double click up is forever right turn, and then it'll turn off when you turn the wheel and straighten out. To turn the forever signal off, you could do the opposite direction, click down once, then left turn, click down twice. Then if you want to turn it off, opposite direction once. Then if you want to put on your temporary lane switching indicator, up once, blink 3 times, down once, blink 3 times. That's basically all there is to it. And with that, hopefully y'all learned how to operate the BMW style turn signals in this video. Maybe if you didn't know how to before, it's a little less confusing now that you've seen the video and seen how it works. But yeah, with that, I'll see you in the next one.